Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Oracle DIA, and we're going to discuss about its tokenomics, its market listings, the backers of DIA, the staking feature, and we're going to compare different oracles in this video. So if that sounds good to you, please like and share this with your friends and family. Please like the video and share this with your friends and family. And also do subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get up-to-date information about new tokens in the market. Also, you would get up-to-date information on different airdrops that I cover. I also run a Telegram channel called Airdrop Venture, and what I would be doing is I would add a link to this channel below this video's description so that you can join the channel and be a part of the community, and you can take part in different airdrops or even take part in several discussions that happens in this channel with regards to cryptocurrencies. You would also be kept up to date on the news, on different news on cryptocurrencies. So do join this community as well, guys, and let's dive into this oracle called dia. So starting off with the tokenomics of dia, you can see that the max supply of DIA is really tiny. It's just 200 million DIA. Okay, that's the maximum supply, which is quite low as compared to other oracles in the market. Okay, the circulating supply is only 119.67 million, right? And the market cap of DIA is around 47.3 million. So DIA is an undervalued oracle gem, in my opinion. Okay. Now, I would like to inform you guys that this video is just for educational purposes. Okay, I am not a financial advisor, and nothing on this channel should be considered as financial advice. Investing in cryptocurrencies is also risky because cryptocurrencies are volatile and they can fluctuate. So before investing, please consult your financial advisor or do this at your own risk. Okay. Please read the disclaimer below this video so that you get acquainted to the risks that you're getting into. Now, let's move further. Uh, with regards to the markets, okay, so this is the tokenomics of DIA, and with regards to where you can buy DIA, these are the markets where DIA is currently available, okay? So it's listed on Binance, okay? It's listed on major top exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Gate.io. It's even available on crypto.com. So the ease of access for users to get DIA is, I mean, it's phenomenal. You can buy DIA from all these exchanges here. I can't think of an exchange where DIA is not listed. I mean, there would be few, but but when it comes to major exchanges, it has got all the top players in the market. Okay, and even though it has got the top players in the market, the market cap is relatively low. So, which means the multiples could be greater when it comes to the peak bull run. Now, let's let's see who is backing DIA. So these were the backers of DIA initially. So ZBS Capital, X Network Capital, Outlier Ventures, and CSP DAO. So these were the backers when DIA was initially launched. Okay. Now, if you look at the all-time high for DIA, it's at around $5.79, and that happened 4 years ago. The all-time low of DIA was at around 21 cents. Okay. So DIA has just moved 87% up from its all-time low. This is with respect to the current price. Okay. So it it is not that you're buying at the top or you're buying at the peak if you buy now or you invest now. It it is, I mean, it has barely moved from the bottom, right? I mean, 87% is nothing when it comes to cryptocurrencies. As I said before, they fluctuate a lot. so, so it can even go further up, okay? And we're going to discuss just about that in this video. So stay tuned. If I look at the performance of the year, so if I go to analytics, okay, so you can see DIA has been listed from 2020 Q3. It was launched. Okay, so basically this is like a first complete bull run for DIA actually, because this was in the mid of the bull run, roughly. So 2021. So this is when it launched. So it didn't have a complete quarter in 2020, and it did have a complete quarter in 2021. Okay. So you can see here that this is actually the first big bull market for DIA. And here you can see that Q3 is overall positive for DIA. It has not gone in red even once. Okay. Same as for Q4, there has been some changes, but in 2023 it gained 81%, and in 2024 it gained at around 68% in Q3. Okay, so and here you can also see the months where the year has performed the best. But this is all historical, right? Because currently things have changed because of tariffs and whatnot that is happening around the world. So you can't rely on the historical data, because if you look on to the historical data, uh, with regards to the bull run charts, we should have been in all season already, but we're not. So just things do change, right? And if we compare DIA with other oracles, right? So let's just go back here. Just note the max supply of DIA. Okay. Now, if I compare it with an oracle called Pyth, right? So Pyth or Pit, Pyth network. So if I compare it with Pyth, let's see. So if I compare it with Pyth, DIA can 12 points. I mean, if DIA 12.67x, it comes close to the Pyth's current market cap. Okay, so Pyth is sitting at 599 million, and DIA is just sitting at 47 million. That's the difference between the two, right? So just talking about Pyth, it DIA is like 12.67x away from the Pyth's market cap. Okay, now let's see what Pyth is, right? I mean, let's compare Pyth or Pit. Uh, okay, so if we compare Pyth, look at the max supply, guys. It's 10 billion. Okay, the circulating supply itself is 5.74 billion Pyth. So half of the supply is currently circulating. Half of the supply is yet to be unlocked. Okay, it is currently at 10 cents. So people would think, oh, this is cheaper. Let's buy this. Look at the market cap, 598.56. So it doesn't matter the number of coins you have in your wallet. Okay, it doesn't because if you compare coins, if you buy meme coins, you would get more meme coins in your wallet, right? For this price, because they are in fractions. Okay, so it's not the price that determines a crypto. It's the market cap and the total supply. Okay, so always bear that in mind. So looking at just the price, you would think, oh, Pyth is no cheaper than DR. Let's buy Pyth. Okay, it is not like that, because it depends on the market cap. and Pyth is only only half of the total supply is unlocked. That means half is yet to be unlocked. Okay, so you can see the difference. As I said, if buying dia is as like it can 12.67x to meet Pyth's current market cap. And by the way, guys, we're not in peak bull run. Okay, this is Pyth's current market cap. Okay, Pyth would have a different market cap in bull run. Okay, and similarly, dia can catch up. So with crypto, you never know, right? I mean, crypto can go up a lot when it comes to bull runs. Okay, so if I compare dia with Link, okay, Link is the top player in the Oracle space, and you can see the amount of X dia can make if it reaches Link's current market cap again. So Link is sitting at around 9 billion market cap. Okay. Now, if I even check Link, so let's see, chain Link. Look at the total supply, guys. Okay. The total supply is 1 billion Link. Okay. The price of one Link token is at around 13.57. 1 billion Link total supply, right? The circulating supply is at around 678 million, right? So dia, this shows that dia is an undervalued gem, right? And investing in dia, I mean, it's investing in any crypto asset is risky, yeah, because it can all go to zero. You never know which coin can go to zero. But looking at dia's tokenomics, it screams scarcity because there are very less tokens available, and it can get really scarce when it comes to the peak bull run because it's available on all major exchanges. The ease of access to dia is phenomenal. People can buy it from any exchange. Yeah, it's not like it's just available on a couple of exchanges. There are like 6 whole pages of exchanges where it's available on. Okay, so you can check that yourself. You can go to CoinMarketCap and check that yourself. So these are all the exchanges where dia is available on. Okay. Now, dia has also got staking feature. So if you would like to stake your dia, you can for 8.24% APY. Okay. But the staking is unavailable if you're a US citizen, a UK citizen, or a Canadian citizen. Not a citizen, but if you reside in those regions, this staking feature would not be available. Okay. Um, and there are a lot of chains that are supporting dia, like dia is supported on Aurora, Base, Avalanche, Arbitrum, BNB chain, and there are quite a few here. Okay, near. So basically, Somnia. So Somnia is like a new ecosystem. Okay, um, which we were doing airdrops on. But the bottom line is it can support any chain. Okay, dia can support any chain, and when it comes to, I saw a good picture that describes dia. Let me just have a look. So these are the features. Okay, so if you see Chainlink, Pipe, Supra, Teller, you can see that dia checks all the boxes as compared to other oracles in the market. Okay, when it comes to multi-chain support, dia can support any chain, like I said. All right, other protocols like Chainlink, which is the major market player, can only support 17 plus chains at the moment. Yeah, and the asset support, you can see how many assets dia can support as compared to any other oracle. So dia is packed with features, and it's currently undervalued. Okay, so holding the for multiple cycles can also be a good bet, right? So again, I mean, investing in crypto is risky, right? So just do your own research on the and try to find out about this oracle. You can refer to the details that I've provided in this video. And what I'll do is I will add the Telegram channels for DIA so that you can do your own research. And the Telegram channels would contain DIA community and also the DIA price chat where you can join and get information on DIA. Let's just quickly check, is there anything else that we have missed? Not at the moment. So yeah, I think that would be a wrap for this video, guys. Do let me know how did you find this video, and if you would like to talk about any other cryptocurrencies that you're investing in, please write them down in the comments below, and it'll be great to discuss different cryptocurrencies and different earning opportunities. So do join the Airdrop Venture community channel as well. Okay, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. It really helps so that I can provide more educational content on crypto and also provide you information on various airdrops. Cheers, guys. Have a good one. Bye.